What's up, my dudes?
Hey, how's everything going, man? So next step in this guitar build, we're gonna make this neck pocket a little snugger. We're gonna do a science experiment. I've never seen this on any YouTube videos, so you've seen it here first. So what we're gonna do is make this neck pocket just a little tighter. See, it's kind of like, hey, you know, we don't need that. Obviously, it's going to be a little wobbly just because the side here is longer. This side is longer than this side here, right? So there's no wood right here. So you expect it to be a little wobbly, but even when this thing is like popped in at the very top, we still got a little gap right here. I'm not a Scientologist or anything like that, so I couldn't tell you like if that's like a 4mm gap or 6 or 12, you know. But here's the deal, what we're going to do. We're going to take some construction paper and wood glue. Just take strips of construction paper. We're just going to glue them in to the pocket here on the sides until this thing fits. And then we can sand it and whatever else we need to do if we get too much. So that's what we're going to do, make that snug. So we're going to do a little time-lapse photography here with our construction paper cutting, and then we'll do a little time-lapse with the gluing, and we're going to wait probably 24 hours to let that dry, and so we'll kind of cut the camera to that, and we'll see how well this works.
Now we use the magic of editing.
Okay, so what I'm doing is we cut the strips out, right? And what I'm going to do is take the wood glue and just put it on this little sponge I got from a makeup kit for Halloween. Just going to put glue on here, spread it on there, put it into the neck pocket. You know, cut it with the scissors, trim that, and on both sides, probably about maybe 10 layers, 10 to 12 layers on each side, and once that dries we'll be able to sand it if need be, and it'll snug that neck up in that pocket, so that gives us a little less wobble. Well, here goes nothing or something, hopefully. Taking that wood glue here and just put it on there. I'm going to take our piece and right into that pocket. And we'll trim off the wrists. And too easy. science experiment here, putting the paper and wood glue in this neck pocket to kind of fill those gaps. This is very hard, very... All right there, buddy? I wasn't paying much attention. Anyway. Anyway, so my science experiment works, is all I'm going to say. We got the cavity filled in there. That neck's going to be really nice and snug. So all we have to do is basically, when we have the neck, is sand it a little bit, and it'll fit in there really snug. It'll touch the sides all over this body, and I think it'll work out pretty good. Next video, we're going to have probably cut this hole out. We're going to route this hole for the humbucker, right? So it's cut.
You need to see how big it is.
We're not going to cut it right now. That's the next video. We'll do all that measuring and everything next video. But this is for the single coil pickup that comes standard on the Telecaster, right? So I got a humbucker for this neck position. Obviously, humbucker's not going to fit in there, so we're going to have to route this out, make it bigger. And that'll be video number 3 in our build-it-yourself guitar kit here.
Guitar.
So join us then.